Atlas Copco, the world-leading provider of sustainable productivity solutions, released its latest oil-free rotary screw air compressor, the ZR9160 VSD Plus, which delivers up to 35% energy savings for a fast return on investment. The water-cooled compressor is ideal for food and beverage, electronics, automotive, textile, and pharmaceutical industries, and works together with the company's new Optimizer 4.0 central controller. The design of the latest product incorporates Atlas Copco's most sophisticated variable speed drive technology. For more information, please contact Atlas Copco. Brought to you by AETOSWire.